Hello and welcome to Englicast. Today, I want to share something that will change the way you learn English. I want you to listen carefully because what I will say can change your journey in speaking English with confidence and fluency. Let me tell you something now. English is not impossible. It's not as hard as you think. Yes, you can speak English fluently, and I promise you can do it faster than you think. I know that many of you feel nervous when it is time to speak. Many feel shy or think too much before saying one word. Some of you stop and don't even try to speak because you are afraid of making mistakes. Maybe you have been learning English for years, and still you feel you cannot speak fluently. You know the words and understand the rules when you read, but when it's time to speak, your mind and your tongue stop. I understand you because I have been there. Learning a new language is not easy. I know how it feels when you want to speak but don't have the right words. I know the feeling when people speak fast and you can't understand them. Always remember, everyone who speaks fluently today was once a beginner just like you. The only difference? They didn't stop. But today, my friends, I want to tell you something that will make things easier. You don't have to struggle anymore. You don't need to feel worry, fear, or stress, because today I will teach you how to learn English in the easiest way. I want you to think of English as something you live, not just something you study. English is not only grammar books and vocabulary lists or classroom lectures. It should be something you hear, think, and use every day. And with the internet, you can do that easily. Step 1. English is very easy. The first and most important thing is to change your thinking. If you believe English is hard, your brain will always resist it. But if you believe English is easy, your brain will start to accept and love it because mistakes are part of learning. Do you remember when you learned to walk as a baby? You fell many times, but did you stop trying? No, you continued, and in the end, walking became natural. This is how learning English works. Step 2. Surround yourself with English. Now that your thinking is ready, let's go to step 2. Be around English every day. Many people think they must live in an English-speaking country to speak fluently, but that is not true. You can create an English world wherever you are. Try this. Listen to an English podcast while cleaning your room. Change your phone language to English. Talk to yourself while cooking or driving. This way, you make an English environment without leaving your house. Step 3. Stop worrying about grammar. Many people think they need perfect grammar before they speak. But that's a big mistake. If you focus too much on grammar, you will always be afraid to make mistakes. And if you are afraid of mistakes, you will never speak with confidence. Step 4. Speak English in your daily life. Now that you are around English, it's time to speak it every day. You can describe every action you do in English. The goal is to make it natural and part of your routine. Example, instead of saying I'm hungry in your own language, say I'm hungry in English. If you forget something, say, I forgot what I wanted to say. This way, you practice without feeling stress or fear. Step 5. Improve your pronunciation and confidence. Here's a secret. Listen and repeat. When you hear a new sentence, don't only understand it. Say it out loud. This helps your pronunciation get better. Step 6. Beat fear and hesitation. Now, let's talk about fear. Fear is the biggest problem, but you can beat it with practice. A simple rule to beat fear is the 3-second rule. When you want to speak, give yourself only 3 seconds and then speak. Step 7. Think in English. Start thinking in English. This is the key to speak without fear. If you think in your native language first, then translate. You will speak slowly. A simple tip: choose 5 common sentences and repeat them in your mind all day. For example, what time is it? I don't understand. That's a good idea. This helps your brain learn words fast. Vocabulary is important if you want to express yourself clearly. I know many of you feel vocabulary learning is hard, but don't worry, you can grow your vocabulary easily with a daily plan. Step 1. Read every day. The best way to learn new words is to read. Reading gives you new words in real situations. Step 2. Use flashcards. Flashcards are old, but they are a very strong tool for learning new words. Step 3. Learn words in groups. It's better to learn words by topic, not just random words, like food, travel, family, etc. Step 4. Use new words in sentences. When you learn a new word, don't just memorize it. Use it in your daily life. Step 5. Learn synonyms and opposites. Another great way is to learn synonyms, same meaning, and opposites, different meaning. When you learn a new word, try to connect it to a real moment in your life or a movie scene. Emotional memory is stronger than random memory. You are not just a language learner, you are a hero because you started this journey by yourself. Every time you open your mouth and speak, even one word, you are making progress. Don't think little of yourself. Don't give up. Fluency doesn't come in one day, but it comes day by day when you keep learning. And I promise one day you will stand and speak English with pride and confidence and smile because you didn't stop. I believe in you. Remember, don't just memorize words, use them. Make them part of your daily life. You have the power to speak English fluently with the words you already know. Keep practicing, and soon you will have amazing new words ready to use. Now you know the way. Start today. Don't wait for tomorrow. Fluency is not a far dream. It's a step you take every day with confidence. I'm with you. Let's begin. If you liked this video and learned something new, don't forget to support us with a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to get all new content. Your comments and ideas mean a lot to us. They help us to continue and give you better content. Write your opinions and ideas in the comments. We read every word. Thank you for being with us. See you in the next video.